Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back. So in this video, we are looking at work from home jobs that do not require any experience. Now, this particular set of jobs are actually valid for people who are looking to start making money online fast and super easy. Yeah, because it does not require you to even do much work. So with that being said, guys, let's go. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do want to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and let's go into the video. Now, these are jobs that you can easily do, easily start, even if you do not have certification. The first one is online tutoring. As long as you're a graduate and you're good with English, you can start online tutoring. You can browse about different website or tutoring companies that are willing to hire individuals. The second one is data entry. Data entry is just you simply entering the data that they give you into the system, or rearranging it, or transcribing, or something like that. So we have websites, we have Upwork, we have Rep.com, we have Fiverr. You can also do whichever one you want. Now we have transcription. Transcription, a lot are actually saying that transcription is actually outdated. But at the same time, people are getting paid with transcription. People are getting paid a lot of money doing transcription. I mean, mostly per hour. Yeah, you transcribe an audio for an hour, or you transcribe a 5 minute audio, 2 minute audio, and you get paid. That one is the smallest business, or I used to see it as a small business. Social media management. Social media management is one business that people overlook. If you can actually create a platform where people can actually reach out to you and tell you that they need individuals that can actually manage their social media accounts for you, you are a go-to. You are the best. If you can actually create a platform like that, in fact, it's going to be super, super amazing. There are different strategies to these things. The first thing is to identify the jobs that resonate well with you, or the job that matches your skill. That is the first thing. The second thing is to create a strong profile. A profile that when people see it, they'll be like, wow. And you can use AI to create that type of profile. The profile that will wow people. Yes, AI will create that type of profile for you. And then you copy it, and then you ask plagiarism websites to check for plagiarism for you. Also, you can also give the AI your information for them to use to create that perfect profile for you. Another one is to make sure that you're applying for jobs every day, ensuring that you're applying for jobs every day. If you're not, please just ensure that you're doing this every day, even if it is for 30 days, to see how you see the result, the type of result you get if you apply to jobs consistently for 30 days. I would also advise that you focus on consistency, not perfection. Some employers are not even looking for you to be perfect. In fact, they want to see the imperfections in you so that they will know that you're using your brain to do all these jobs. If you put in this strategy, I can assure you, and you're applying consistently, I can assure you that even with no experience, you will land a job and you'll be paid at least $200 in a month as a starter or for an entry role. So if you've watched this video to this level, please do what to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and thank you.